straight line forms a triangle of area 24 square units with the coordinate axis in the first quadrant. Find the equation of the line if it passes through 3, 4. Now, given data is a triangle will form in the first quadrant of a coordinate axis. This is a coordinate axis. This is the first quadrant. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here a line passes like this. So a line passes like this. Okay, so now this area formed is how much? 24 square units, right? 24 square units. And this passes through 3, 4. The point is given here. This is 3, 4. So a point is given. That point is, a point on this will be 3, 4, right? So the point here, some point, say it is some point P. Okay, so this is 3, 4. Okay, so we'll draw again. So now what we have to do is, now this is y-axis, this is x-axis, right? A line passes like this. Here some point is given, a point P passes through 3, 4, and it forms an area. How much? What is this area? This area is, how much it is? This area is given is 24 square units, right? Now we have to find out the equation of this straight line. What is the equation of the line that passes through 3, 4 in the first quadrant, and it forms a triangle of area 24 square units with both x and y axis? Means this is a triangle. What is the triangle formed is? This is, so this is the triangle. Okay, this triangle is a right angle triangle. So here the area formed is 24 square units. So what is the equation of the line we have to find out? Okay, now what shall we do is, now again we'll draw this one. Now this is what we have to find out, right? This equation we have to find out. So if suppose if this is x-axis and y-axis, if the intercept is A and if the intercept is B, what is the equation of straight line in the intercept form? It is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1 is the equation of straight line having intercepts A and B. In our case, what is x-intercept and y-intercept is, because it is passing through here, it is 3, 4. Say this one will be, because it's on x-axis, the coordinate x, 0 form will be there. So say it is x1, 0. So it cuts at x1, 0, and it cuts at 0, y1. Okay, so therefore the given line forms a triangle. Say for example A, B, C. Here it's 90 degrees and this area is 24. Okay, now because it cuts here at x-axis, it cuts at x1, 0, at y-axis it cuts at 0, y1. Therefore this intercept will be how much? This one will be simply, how much this one will be? X1 is the intercept, AB length, and here AC length will be how much? Y1, right? Now what is the equation of the straight line? The equation will be x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 1. Okay, now say it is equation number 1. Now one passes through, which point is it? It passes through, given that this passes through 3, 4. Okay, therefore because it passes 3, 4 satisfies this equation 1. Therefore this will be x by x1 means 3 by x1 plus 4 by y1 is equal to 1. This after simplification, this will become 3y1 cross multiplication 4x1, downside will be x1 y1, that if I cross multiply with 1, x1 y1. So this, if I simplify this one will be 3y1 plus 4x1 minus x1 y1 will be the case. Okay, now you keep this equation number 2, right? Now because he said that will form an area of how much? 24. Here it is x1, here it is y1. Because it is 90 degrees, what is the area of a triangle, right angle triangle? Half base into height. This is base, this is height. So half base into height is given how much? 24. If I cross multiply x1 y1 is equal to how much? This implies x1 is equal to how much? 48. So therefore this is equation number 3, you can say. Okay, this is 3. Now put 3 and 2 we have to solve for x1 y1. Simply see here, we have to take, this is equation 2, 3y1 plus 4x1 x1 y1, and equation number 3, how much we got here? It is x1 y1 is equal to 48. Now both the equation we have to solve to get x1 y1. Once if you get x1 y1, we can get the equation very easily. Okay, now what shall we do is, this x1 y1 is there, no? x1 y1 is equal to 48. Now we can rewrite by x1 will become how much? 48 by y1. From this what we can do is, x1 will be 48 by y1. If I comes y1 to the downside, okay, this will substitute in the equation number 2. Therefore that will become how much? 3y1 plus, what is the 4x1 plus 4 into 48 by y1, okay, is equal to, what is given here? x1 y1. x1 y1 how much? 48 only, no? Put 48, right? This after simplification it becomes how much? 3y1 plus 4 into 48, 192 by y1 is equal to how much? 48. I cross multiply 3y1 square plus 192 is equal to 48 y1. If I bring all to the left side, it becomes a quadratic equation. 3y1 square minus 48 y1 plus 192 is equal to 0, right? This, if I divide with 3 throughout the equation, this becomes how much? y1 square minus, because 16 times goes 48, 16 y1 plus 64 into 3 is 192. Okay, this is very simple. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is nothing but, if I simply, you either can quadratic equation you can solve, or directly it's nothing but y1 minus 8 whole square. See, I can show you like this. y1, if I take common, y1 minus 8. Here also if I take y1 common, here also y1 minus 8. That means y1 minus 8 whole square. So therefore what is y1 minus 8 will be 0 and y1 is equal to 8. Okay, there are y1 is equal to 8 and 8 only. There will be two roots. The roots are equal and same root. The coordination having same roots, 8 and 8 only. So y1 is 8. Because x1 y1 is 48, because y1 is 8, so what will be implies, what will be x1? x1 will be how much? 6. Okay, this implies x1 will be 6. Therefore what is x1? x1 is how much? We got x1 here, x1 is 6 and y1 is 8, right? Now put this in the given equation. X by x1 plus y by 8 is equal to 1. This on simplification, 8x plus 6y is equal to 48. That means 8x plus 6y minus 48 is equal to 0 is the required equation. required equation. You can cross check. Put this 3 comma 4 and put here 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 48. 48 minus 0. So therefore 3 comma 4 satisfies. So it passes through 4 comma 3 comma 4 and passes through this x1 y1 x1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1, and it makes an area of 24 square units. Hope you understood. We'll stop here.